chilling out here drinking some water, watching the soccer game from outside. Guy wants to hang out with me, Of course. Who else to hang out with but Jeff? What's up, buddy? Oh, they're getting a little windy up there, huh? A little windy. There you go. Back out a little bit. There you go. Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, birds out here, huh? A lot of stuff flying around. No monsoon or anything, is there? A little cloudy. Yep, you're always out here hanging out with me, huh? Watching feeders. Alright, I gotta get back to the game. Talk to you later.